Hey folks, loose shirt with you. I've got a challenge lock here that Lock Picking Fisherman sent me, and it was from Significant B. I had to do a little research and found out that it actually belongs to joey69692568 or 68, sorry. Anyway, this turns out to be his Blue Belt challenge lock. It's been floating around for a while, and I made him a key mummy for it, make it a little more difficult. I've picked the lock at this point, and he had told me it was no big deal. Tell him how it turns out. Well, it was. I found it a little more difficult than just, no big deal there. And it's a Schlage 6-pin lock kick, and let's put it in the vise here and see if I can pick it now. And I haven't taken it apart yet, but I have picked it at least once. Let's see here if I can get you a good angle. Alright, so I have seen the key. It was pretty important to me. Could have struggled through it forever and figured it out, but I do know that I need to go to the 6-pin back here. Let's see if I can get the light better. And it's a really high lift. That to come up some. I'd love to have been able to pick this one out of the post, but I found it kind of difficult. Okay. Now on number one. Up a little bit. 2 is better. 3 a little bit. 4. This thing is threaded to hell. Okay. Having a little difficulty getting the 4th one to go up. I think it finally went up. Let me go back and check. 6th one. No, not up high enough. And you can hear the threading. Something serrated. Okay, that's real springy. Go back and try again. Beginning. 1 feels okay. 2 better. 3 okay. 4 better. Drop 6 again. One's okay. 2's okay. 3's better. 4. Better. 5. 6. Okay. Continuing to get more counter or rotation counterclockwise. One's okay. 2's okay. okay. 3 is okay. 4 feels like it's got to come up. It wants to come up. Nothing. Alright, try this deeper hook on 6. Joey. Actually, I think that's as high as it's going to go. Same with 4. 3's okay. 2's okay. 1. If I can get 1 to come up a little bit. Okay. Better. 2, got a good click out of that. 3, 4. All the way back to 6, it's dropped again. Alright, that's a really good false set. We're almost there, I think. 1's okay. 2's okay. 3, oh, there it is. Just had to touch 3. Wow. I can't wait to take this apart and figure out what's in this thing. So I wanted to mention this also. Oops. Because I'm in North America, I pick a ton of Schlage kicks. And I mentioned in one of my other videos about the tailpiece, and I really should invest in a tool to get that off there. Can't do that with this one. I haven't taken this one apart yet, but it's got a clip on it. But yesterday FedEx arrived, and lo and behold, I received a Lock Monkey tail removal tool for Schlage, and it's from Cybervoid. He sent me that in the mail. I appreciate that. That was really nice of him to do that, but look what a pleasure that is to get those damn tail pieces off. Alright, I'll quit jawing here and get back to it, but thank you, Cybervoid. That really made my day. Don't want to lock that up because I don't want to deal with that again. Sure hope I can get that clip off without having to lock it up. Oh man. Let me just stick another Schlage key in there. I can't do that. Damn. Do that. Alright. Well, I haven't put the final ring on this yet. One reason I do these mummies is I can't stand taking the regular key ring things off and dealing with it, so it's less tempting to me to look at the key. That's what the key looks like. Look at that monster. So we will lock it back up and get the clip off and get inside of it. Oh, that was damn easy. Maybe I gave up too soon. Oh well. Definitely gonna shim this boy. go. Alright, I'm taking too long here. Sorry about that. You guys know I like to talk, right? Huh. Maybe that fifth one. Yeah. Wow. There's I thought it would be threaded to hell and back, but there's counter milling. I mean over milling. Okay. Let's get them out of there. My concept of what's inside a lock before I open it up often is just so different. I'm going to put wow. Alright, get them out and then look at them. Man, these are beautiful. I don't think he's made anymore. First one I've ever seen from him. That one's a tapered. Oops. Beautiful pens. Get you down a little closer here. Oh man, no wonder it was so difficult. There's some threading on there. Wow. That was the fifth one, which was like a no lift, but it, I think the taper was sitting down below the shear line a little bit. Oops, picked up the wrong one. Beautiful. So that's Joey's, our Significant Bees CL, Blue Belt CL. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. See you later. Give me a comment. What do you think? See ya.